What does the future hold for Zimbabwe's political landscape? As the winds of change sweep across the nation, one name stands out: Nelson Chamisa. This charismatic leader has been a pivotal figure in Zimbabwean politics, sparking debates and hopes about the potential for reform and renewal. Nelson Chamisa's journey into the political arena began during his university days, where he was not just a student but a beacon of activism. As he graduated from the University of Zimbabwe in the early 2000s, Chamisa didn't just walk away with a degree. He carried with him a fervent desire to influence change. His charisma and commitment quickly propelled him to the forefront of the Movement for Democratic Change, MDC, a party deeply entrenched in the struggle for democracy. By 2003, Chamisa had become a key figure in the MDC, taking on the role of spokesperson, a position that placed him squarely in the public eye and in the turbulent waters of Zimbabwean national politics. His ability to communicate effectively and passionately made him a household name and a beacon of hope for many. The year 2018 marked a significant turning point for Chamisa. Following the passing of Morgan Tsvangirai, the MDC's founding leader, Chamisa assumed leadership of the party. This transition was not without controversy, with disputes about the legitimacy of his succession. Despite these challenges, he led the party into the 2018 elections, coming incredibly close to the presidency, a position that had eluded the opposition for decades. Chamisa's impact on Zimbabwean politics is undeniable. His tenure has been a blend of charismatic leadership and controversial decisions. His vision of a prosperous and stable Zimbabwe attracted vast support, yet his methods and the subsequent internal party conflicts have left many questioning the best path forward for the opposition. As Zimbabwe stands at a crossroads, the legacy of Nelson Chamisa remains a topic of heated discussion. Will his efforts be remembered as a catalyst for change or a cautionary tale of leadership in turbulent times? Only time will reveal the true impact of his political career on the future of Zimbabwe.